Explaining crypto to your grandma might seem harder than solving Bitcoin's algorithm. But don't worry, with a little patience, and maybe a cup of tea, you can make it happen. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to simplifying crypto for your favorite grandma. Step 1. Start with what she knows first, find some common ground. Say, Grandma, you know how you used to stash cash under the mattress? Crypto is like that, but digital. She might raise an eyebrow, but stay with me. Explain that instead of banks keeping her money, there's this thing called a blockchain, a big digital ledger that no one can mess with. It's like your checkbook, you add, but it can't be lost in the laundry. Step 2. Use food as an analogy. Now, it's time to get creative. Grandma, imagine you baked a batch of cookies. Each cookie is a Bitcoin. You can share those cookies with anyone in the world, no middleman needed, but here's the twist. Once you give away the cookie, everyone in the neighborhood knows it's no longer yours. That's the blockchain keeping track of transactions. And yes, this is the part where she might ask, so, can I eat a Bitcoin? Stay calm and explain that it's metaphorical. Step 3. Explain why it's valuable. Now comes the tricky part, why people care so much. Say, it's valuable because people believe in it, just like gold or antiques. And unlike your porcelain dolls, Grandma, you don't have to dust it. Also, mention that Bitcoin is limited, like her special edition teacup set. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, making them rare and valuable. Step 4. Tackle security. She's bound to ask, but what if someone steals it? Explain, that's why we use wallets, Grandma, but not the leather kind. These are digital. Tell her about private keys, saying, think of it like your secret recipe for apple pie. If someone else gets it, they can bake your pie, or in this case, steal your Bitcoin. Step 5. Reassure her it's not magic. Finally, reassure her, Grandma, it's not sorcery, it's just really smart math and computers working together. Add, and no, I'm not joining a cult, it's just the future of money. So next time Grandma asks, what's all this Bitcoin nonsense? You'll be ready. And if she's still skeptical, just say, don't worry, Grandma, I'll buy you a Bitcoin cookie one day. Join us and reach your next crypto level.